first time. Yeah, I did it a lot. Yeah. And every time I did it, they booed. They booed. Not the ones I've met.
These people live in trailer parks, don't you? And don't have all your front teeth and everything? That's what you people are, right? Hey, people in New Jersey, you people are just jealous of me, okay? Because I live in a way better state than this dump.
I'm guessing roughly like 2,000 or 3,000 people, right? Gonna be waiting for you. Yeah.
Give me my money when I win tonight. That's what they're here for. I want to thank each and every one of you for coming out. Because all the money you spend to get in here goes in my pocket when I win the $5,000 purse tonight.
The only money we're playing is Monopoly money. Real money for real racers.
That's why I am a real racer, pal. And the quicker you realize that and start calling this right, and give me write my name right on that check right now.
I'm gonna have to use my other eye to watch your races.
Listen, I know you people are used to booing because you got nothing in your life that's good, okay? I'm a champion. I want to hear you cheer right now for a champion.
You know what? I'm gonna do this for Delaware, okay? This is what I'm gonna do. Here. Good job. Good job. One more to go. I got a cookie for you too.
I think you've been eating.
Well, I saved you one. You don't gotta be mean about it.
He backed off, so the doors are passing.
You know he's yelling, walking. Yeah, so he...
Mommy loves it.